Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and today I'm sharing a find that's been bringing so much joy in my house. Something simple, creative, and surprisingly captivating for kids. The Friendship Bracelet Maker. As a mom, I'm always hunting for hands-on activities that spark imagination without relying on screens, and this one truly surprised me. It's not just a craft kit, it's become a little portal to connection, creativity, and even quiet focus on busy afternoons. Priced at $19, it's an affordable way to encourage patience, fine motor skills, and sweet moments of bonding. I'll be honest, I didn't expect it to hold my girls' attention the way it has. What started as a quick try turned into full-on bracelet making sessions filled with laughter, color combos, and heartfelt gift giving. Stick around as I dive into why this small but thoughtful toy has earned a permanent spot in our playroom, and how it's doing more than just making bracelets. Let me tell you, as a mom who's always on the lookout for activities that keep my kids engaged without screens, this Friendship Bracelet Maker has been such a fun surprise. I was a little skeptical at first. Would it just be another craft kit that ends up collecting dust? But honestly, my girls have been obsessed. The machine itself is pretty clever. It holds the threads in place while they weave and tie, which makes the whole process way neater and faster than doing it by hand on a clipboard like I used to do as a kid. It's made of sturdy, thick plastic, so it doesn't feel cheap, and when my youngest accidentally dropped it on the floor during a particularly enthusiastic bracelet making session, it didn't even crack. That durability gives me peace of mind, especially with little ones who aren't always the gentlest with their toys. Plus, it comes with a little drawer on the side to store extra thread, which is such a smart touch. I love how everything stays organized and tangle-free. It's perfect for keeping their craft area tidy, and they actually remember to put things away because it's so easy to use. One of the things I really appreciate is how well this set works for different skill levels. My 9-year-old picked it up in minutes and is now cranking out bracelets like she's running a tiny jewelry business, while my 6-year-old needs a bit more help. But that's okay. It's become such a sweet bonding activity. I don't mind sitting with her, guiding her hands, chatting as we work on matching colors for her best friend. The kit comes with an instruction booklet that's super clear and beginner-friendly. So even if you've never made a friendship bracelet before, you won't feel lost. And let me tell you, I was not a crafty kid. I feel like I'm finally learning alongside them, and that makes it extra special. What started as a way to pass the time on a rainy afternoon has turned into our new go-to weekend ritual. We even set up a little bracelet bar at my daughter's birthday party, and all the girls loved making their own keepsakes to take home. Now, I'll be honest, not everything is perfect. The slots that hold the threads are helpful, but sometimes the strings do slip out, especially if the kids are pulling a bit too hard or rushing. We've had a few moments of frustration when a nearly finished bracelet came undone because a thread popped loose, but a quick reset and some patience usually fixes it. I've learned to check the tension before they start weaving and make sure everything is snug. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but it's something to be aware of, especially if you're handing this to a younger child to use completely on their own. That said, the overall design is thoughtful, portable, compact, and great for travel. We tucked it into our car for a road trip last week, and it kept them busy for hours. No tablets, no, are we there yet? Just quiet concentration and bursts of excitement when they finished a new one. As a parent, that kind of tech-free entertainment is worth its weight in gold. The kit comes with 20 pre-cut threads in a bunch of fun, vibrant colors, which is great for getting started. My girls love mixing and matching shades to make each bracelet unique. Rainbow ones for school, sparkly pinks for sleepovers, even themed ones for holidays. It sparks so much creativity, and I love watching them plan out their designs like little fashion designers. I did notice that the included thread is a bit on the thinner side, so the bracelets don't feel super durable for everyday wear. I'm planning to experiment with some wax cotton or hemp thread I have lying around. I think that would give them a sturdier, more polished finish. But for the price, what's included is totally sufficient to get kids started and see if they really love it before investing in extra supplies. And honestly, the fact that they can make up to 8 bracelets from the kit means they get plenty of practice and variety. What really makes this special to me isn't just the craft, it's the connections it encourages. These little bracelets have become tokens of friendship for my girls. They trade them at school, give them to cousins, and even made a matching set for me and my sister. It's simple, yes, but it feels meaningful. There's something so sweet about handmade gifts, especially when they come from kids. I've even caught them writing little notes to go with the bracelets, best friends forever, or you're my sunshine, and it melts my heart every time. This isn't just a toy, it's a tool for building relationships, practicing patience, and expressing love in a tangible way. Plus, the confidence boost when they see their finished work? Priceless. My shyest daughter was practically glowing when her classmate wore the bracelet she made. Overall, I'd say this friendship bracelet maker is a worthwhile gift for any creative kid, especially in the 8 to 12 range. It's fun, encourages fine motor skills, and offers real quality time potential. While it might be a bit tricky for a 6-year-old to use completely solo, I wouldn't hand it to my youngest without some guidance. It's definitely manageable with a little help. And for tweens, it's practically self sufficient. Yes, it's on the pricier side for a craft kit, but considering how much use we've gotten out of it, I think it's fair. We've already talked about buying another one as a present for a friend's birthday. It's not flashy, it's not electronic, but sometimes the simplest things bring the most joy. And this has definitely earned its spot on our list of favorite rainy day activities. If you're ready to weave some joy into your family's routine, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more heartfelt finds. Let's stitch together a community of mindful moms and creative kids. Every subscribe is like adding a new thread to our big, beautiful parenting tapestry.